What is going on with you, YouTube? This is Dave from Tech Refresh coming at you with another video. Today we're looking at the case lineup from i-Blason for the Samsung Galaxy S21, the newly announced Samsung Galaxy S21. Now normally they send me over a dummy unit so I could put the cases on the dummy unit, but that wasn't the case this time. So in no way is this anywhere remotely close to a review. This is just a look at the lineup. All right, they have two models. They have the Cosmo and they have the Aries. The Aries is what I would be using, but I'll show you both. Links to these cases will be in the description. i-Blason is doing a giveaway. They sent me these cases. They're doing a giveaway, so you can click those links and check out these cases. Now, believe it or not, Samsung is not sending review units to a YouTuber with 830 subscribers. I know you guys probably can't believe that, so I do not have the S21. But let's take a look. The Aries. This is what I would be using. These are nice cases. I've used them before. This black case going in on that all black Samsung Galaxy S21. Whoa. All right, let's take a look. Let's just take a quick tour around the case. The power button is covered along the sides. Looks like the S21 will have all the buttons on one side because this is smooth. On the top, you got two cutouts. I'm assuming one is for the noise canceling mic. Then going around the side, you have covered volume rocker, covered power button, little branding here, clear back, and a huge cutout for that camera module, which looks actually pretty sleek on the S21. You can see the size difference. We got the Ultra, we got the S21, and we got the S21 Plus, and you guys could take a look at the size difference. Now, this thing has like a built-in, I have a hard time getting this out, I'm not gonna lie. It has a built-in like protector. It's a two-part case. Let's see if I can do. No, I'm not about to sit up and break this case on camera, but you could take that off. You could, if you could see the little plastic part inside, kind of snaps the phone into place, and then keeps it nice and protected. Now, the second series they have is a little more fashion forward than, you know, I would be. Let me get that for you. You have the Cosmo series. This is a little more fashion forward than I would rock. These cases aren't really my jam, but yeah, they are nice, very good looking poppy cases. Let's take a look. You got the marble, you got the ocean, and you got the amethyst. They're all in the links. Let's take a look at this one. All right, it has now let's take a look at the big boy. Why not for the Ultra? Separating front case from the rear. So this tells you like you can take out the front case. Now this has like a kind of like a rubberish vibe to it. Rubber, soft plastic. Then along the back kind of feels hard. It's a good feeling case. Power button is not covered, if you guys can see that. Speaker grill, clean side, cutouts for the noise canceling mic, volume rockers here, and power switch. And you have very faint i-Blason branding, but if you need to let people know what you're rocking, you got it down here, the Cosmo series. Now let's see if we can pop. Look, I'm gonna give it an attempt. Pop this bad boy out. There we go. It's a two-part deal. I'm liable to break. Here we go. So you can see, so it kind of snaps the phone, put the phone in, snap this bad boy on. I don't have the actual device, so it ain't quite working out, but they sent these over. I said I'll check them out. They look like great cases, man. The Aries, the Cosmo, check them out. i-Blason. I've used their cases before. They're great. Pill to try. Why not? Get active in the comments. Samsung Galaxy S21. What do you guys think about it? I'll get at you guys another time. Peace.